Hey, what's up guys, it's your man JB, and today we're checking out this mini circular saw by WESCO. So there you go, check it out, mini circular saw. Oh yes, so let's open it up and take a look inside. Now I have already taken the battery and charger out just so I can charge it up for the purpose of this video. But let's take a look what we've got inside. So first thing, we've got a manual, and we got that in 5 different languages. So there it is. Pretty basic stuff. English, German, French, Italian and Spanish. Sorted. There we go. So there's that. What we've got in here is our battery. So 18 volt battery, and this is a 2 amp battery. There we go. Not sure how long a 2 amp battery is going to last in a saw, but you know, we'll soon find out. We've got a guide, so we'll stick that on and have a look at that in a moment. So there's the unit itself. Quite a nice little thing really. We've got a vacuum adapter, so we can put that on to the saw and stick it onto the shop vac. We've got the charger, which is a 240 volt, and then we've just got this section here which we put onto the battery. And as you can see on here, it has this little LED light, and it's red when it's charging and it's green when it's charged. As I've said already, I have charged it up, so it is ready. And the little bag here, we've got an Allen key to change the blade and the blade itself. Now the blade is an 85mm blade, so it's 85mm diameter, and it's got 24 teeth. Very nice. 1.2mm wide with a 15mm bore. Okay, so if you need to buy more blades, there you go, there's your spec. So Allen key and the blade, which has got this protective film over the teeth. Okay, that is everything from the box. We'll put the manual back in the box and we'll put that out the way. Just before we do, look, 18 volt, 1 hour charge time, 85mm saw blade, and it's running at 2300 revs per minute, or 2300 revs per minute. So the first thing I need to do is put the blade in. So we've got the Allen key here. Now we've got a little button here. I guess we're pressing that to lock the spindle. Yeah, so that works to lock the spindle. Now usually with a saw you do undo it the opposite way to what you normally would. So we'll pop that back onto there. Make sure you get it the right way round. There we go, that's the way you need to put it on. Space it back on. And then we can put that bolt back in, and we turn it anti-clockwise to tighten it. It does even tell you, or it shows you on the bolt just there, which way you need to turn it to either lock it or unlock it. I just need to push that button in again on the side. There we go, that's locked in, and boom, there it is. So that blade is now in. Great stuff. I want to see what this sounds like, so I'm going to throw the battery on, and it feels okay. It's not too heavy, it's quite well balanced. It's always nice to have a well balanced tool. And from having a look at it before, you can't just turn it on by pushing the button here. You have to pull this lever down and then push it. Okay. It's not running as fast as I thought it would, but it just depends on how powerful that motor is. Now you've got this section here which you can adjust the depth with, and we just lock that off on the side here. So there's your extraction point, so we can just put that onto there like so if you want to attach a vacuum. And we've got the guide rail, can put that in there, and same Allen key will just tighten that bolt. Oh, come on JB, a bit further than that. What's he doing? Obviously got to wind this down quite far for it to grip. There we go, it's got it now. And then you can obviously use that to run along the side of your board. First test, 18mm MDF. So we'll just set the depth of the cutter, of the blade, so it goes just below. Now don't think you have a massive amount of depth cutting on this, but we'll take a look at that in a moment. So that's locked off, yeah, and I'm just going to give it a go straight through here like this. That's not bad, is it? As I say, it doesn't spin very fast, so you can't push it too quickly. But that didn't cut that too bad. It is quite neat actually. I certainly wouldn't want to be cutting full panels with this, but this is quite handy. Right, we'll try this bit of softwood. Need to go a little bit deeper for this one. There we go, that'll do. Nice square edge, nice and smooth. One of the things I like to do with a circular saw is to use a speed square just to get a nice straight cut rather than using a hand panel saw. And check that out. Perfect. Right, let's have a go with the guide on there. Not bad at all. Now it does say one for all, so if you're buying lots of different WESCO tools, then you can use the batteries on all the other tools as well. I've only got this one and one battery, so I'll certainly be using this now and then. I'll be using my bigger circular saw most of the time, but any little job, then this might be actually quite good. Let's just check out the maximum cutting depth that we've got on this, and if I just mark a pencil somewhere to the bottom of here, get a bit of an idea how deep this will cut, and that's looking about 26-27 millimeters. So there you have it. There's your WESCO 18 volt 85 millimeter mini circular saw. Well, I do hope you found this video interesting, and if you did enjoy it as well, give us a thumbs up, that'll be fantastic. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe, just hit that button down there, that'll be awesome. Thanks guys, see you on the next video.